Hello, people around YouTube. It is January 27th. I know it's getting pretty, I don't know. Chinese New Year's about to come. And we're just spring cleaning, buying more for eighth generation thing to put in the house. And then next year it's going to be, uh, like you say, more recycling stuff to do. But then, anyway, I'd like to tell today about Magic the Gathering puzzle game. Actually, thought the card was pretty interesting. The swapping is just too much uh, waiting, and when you place waiting for your mana, those spell mana like the playing field card is kind of hard to wait. Uh, and well, the other new deck was okay, but some of the rare cards seems kind of a little bit iffy. I think it's not. It's powerful. It's powerful, but like again, I'm saying it is the swapping, the time. It needs it needs I don't know, quicker. Another rare card to speed up the time, speed up the mana. If you don't speed up the mana, it's kind of weird waiting for it. Well, that's for Magic the Gathering card game. Well, Dragon Ball, the new Dragon Ball, that game is totally awesome. Bandai, I can't believe uh, it is pretty sick. I mean, totally for Dragon Ball. Naruto, I don't know. Naruto's kind of okay, but Dragon Ball, wow, that was sick. Yu-Gi-Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh pretty good, but a lot of people are using the Blue Eye Dragon, the new evolution Blue Eye Dragon 2. It's kind of low, pissing people off using the guys. Don't keep on using the Blue Eye Dragon or evolution the Blue Eye Dragon pack because it takes. I know there's a card. One of the card you keep hitting it and it keeps alarming the dragon. People's gonna get really mad. And also don't use the hero, the elemental hero, because that card almost the same idea for it. So people, I'm not being mad, but I'm hearing a lot of people getting steamed up because they keep using the Blue Eye Dragon, their favorite pack. There's some other packs that are good, which I haven't used yet, but Blue Eye Dragon people, come on. Or using Yu-Gi-Oh's the Wizard card is okay, but the Egyptian card's pretty good. If you know how to use the Egyptian, do the Egyptian level like Kaiba's deck using the Pharaoh deck. Wow, the Pharaoh deck's pretty powerful when it hits level 30 or 40. Shoot, or even 31. You don't even need to go that high to use the Pharaoh card because the Pharaoh cards are pretty strong. So that's it for the card gaming world. I don't know some other game. Oh yes. One more card gaming world. Emblem of Fire. People love that game. I love that game too. Uh, it's just they. I know the other new Fire Emblem editions coming in. Yes, there's one spell, one thing that I dislike on Fire Emblem is quit using the arrow people. Quit shooting arrow and mean, those few cards that the arrow people, like they say, they're good. Yes, they're good for shooting those people on the Pegasus horse who's riding the horse. But you gotta you gotta stop making the arrow people that powerful for us because then nobody had to go in battle. No, you don't even have to put the people in front of the line. You could use the people in back of the line to just help you win. That's it for the card gaming world. Like we say, I'm a Magic fan, Yu-Gi-Oh fan, Emblem of Fire, RRGP cards. The only problem is I I need to ask Blizzard if I could get back to my Diablo 3, Diablo 1 and 2 or 3, or get the handheld one to get in. Blizzard, I need to reopen my account back for all 3 chapters of Diablo. Can you? If I know you guys are listening right now, I need you guys to open back on my account so I could play Diablo 1, 2, and 3. I want to start Diablo 1, 2, and 3 again. Thank you.